In this video, I'll show how to use AI for beginners and starters. I'll cover the main functions and how to use them. To show the examples, in this video I'll use ChatGPT. You can find ChatGPT on your App Store and also on the internet. Many AI models will require you to create an account and log in to use them. AI can be used to ask information such as, for example, what is the difference between the classical age and the middle age? As you can see, after I asked the question, the AI produced an answer. You can also ask mathematical questions such as, for example, how do I solve x minus 3 plus 10 equals 0? As you can see, it provides a step-by-step solution. You can also ask explanations, such as, for example, why subtract 7 from both sides? I don't understand. If you ask for explanations, the AI can explain very specific parts of each solution. This is very useful. AI can also be used for research. So, for example, what are the best tourist spots in Rome? As you can see in this example, AI can also be used for search. AI can also be used to produce images. So, for example, create an image of a simple square. Create an image of a tree during sunset. AI can also be used to analyze documents. It's also important to check the information and the sources of everything that the AI provides. I'll give you an example. What is the scientific reason for thunderstorms? What are the sources for this answer? I asked for some sources and it provided multiple sources. If you move your mouse to each source and link, you can find more information. It's very important to always check the sources. Also, you can provide custom instructions on how you want to use the AI. For example, from now on, I want you to call me sir. As you can see, it updated its memory and it will follow this instruction from now on. AI can be a very useful tool. Make sure to always check information, always verify the sources, and for important advice, I strongly suggest to talk to human professionals, such as doctors, lawyers, and so on. AI is very useful. However, you should not trust everything that AI says. Make sure to check information and the facts. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other solution you need? Tell me in the comments.